Morning vlog world, morning. So, when you see me out here, I'm up on the roof. Now, yeah, they are both down and prepare for this thing. As you can see back of me, when you see the sky, it's crazy. It really a come. It really and truly a come. Yeah, the reason why I'm wearing this now, people may not know, it's not constructive suit alone. Construction worker is good for when people see you have on these things, especially here in my community. Better them see you with this in the night, just in case if you have to run out. So one, police don't shot you. Two, your neighbors don't shoot you. Three, and if something happen to you, somebody can see you or you don't get lit down in the night. Let's just say worst case scenario. So that's why I wear these. But anyway, peeps, right now, when I wonder why I'm up on the roof. So my roof have like bolts, where the regular people roof have nail. My one have like some 7-inch bolt. So every time I have to go up there with a pliers, during this time and turn and tighten it up back till you crick and stuff like that. And normally when I use one sealer, what you call a sealer. But boy, it's been a little while. See? Look on this. You see that one here? Lift up. Yeah. We have to tighten it up back. And so all the kind of, no, so that one is not safe at all. Yeah, that one you want to fix up back. That one they want screw down back. So that one they loose. Yeah? Yeah, no. I gonna need a screwdriver. You hear me, sinus? One of the bolts loose. The big screwdriver, the blue one, carry it to me. One of the bolts loose. Yeah, man, so it a come, peeps. Me never did really want it come. Because me dey have tour. I'm gonna try hustle some money. So me can do road as me promise, you know. For something there. Do road for the summer and thing, but why? God had other plans, man. So yeah, as me say, in the future, want to buy one little cheap ride so we can drive around and stuff like that. But yeah, every minute me sign a second. Me sign a second, I'm the vlog. Why you call me every second? See, we have one next. Yeah, we have one another loose one right here. So see there, it's not good at all. This fly out. That board there loose. This not good. That not good. See there? That one here go. I don't like how this sound. Somebody want to come up here from before, you know, man. But man, tired. And then the next part now, vlog world, is that. Right at the edge over there, so. The last hurricane tend to go up and down. That's how my room there. With all of my equipment them for stream for y'all beautiful people. And thing. And then you have one next part here, so me need to take off these. Them thing there. That mesh is already put there for keep out the pigeons them. But it did end up tear down and stuff like that. Yeah, some nail here. But all on the side then them want both looking back. But anyway, vlog world, I'm gonna deal with this. You really are come. Look on the cloud. Yeah, the big blue one. See how John Crow fly there. Look at the bird pie. Yeah, man. Sun out, but guess what? Sun are gone, you know. I get some wind pickups, you know. Some wind pickup. It's so beautiful up here. I need to come up here more often. I used to come up here a lot as a little youth and look out. It's nice. Nice view. Maybe you guys should try to go on your rooftop and look out. You may never know, man. It's a nice view. So my neighbor, the Leroy, I check him roof. Leroy! I check in roof, make sure so everything alright. So yeah. You sign us down there, make be a nice. Be a nice shamek. But anyway, vlog world. Hopefully I get for upload this before. Yeah. I coming around the front now. Hopefully I get for upload this before the storm comes so you can get it and see it. Fun and joke aside. Yo, pray for we here. Yeah man, pray for we. Pray for we. We need prayers. So all of my people and my brothers, pray for we here. I beg you now. Pray for we. Yes, a little rain droplets there. I never want to come. God no. Alright vloggers, so I done bolt up the roof right now. As you can hear, the rain is coming. So I don't know what go on. Well, we here. Them say it's less than 40 kilometers from Jamaica. It kind of deep down more to south, and that's not good. That means Moby and them place there I'm gonna get some whole heap of rain. But Kingston and St. Thomas I will get it bad. Carrington and Maypen and them place there I will get it whoppingly bad. Yeah, me say St. Thomas are tear down you know. So it's coming from that side there. So, yeah. One day peeps. If I keep on posted, quick and fast, I'm going to upload this. You know what I mean? If I start, yeah, I'm going to upload this now. And then move on to charge up the vlog camera. And move on to the next vlog when the wind really start blow. Yeah man, when breeze start kick. Yeah man, I go out there man. Yeah, so we're gonna do it. I upload this now quick and fast. Simple vlog, we just make you know what I've been up to and thing. And I'll vlog everything throughout the thing man, never see. Alright? She call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like